The Securities and Exchange Commission has radically shifted its policy on crypto, bringing voices such as that of Commissioner Hester M. Peirce to the forefront. However, some still believe that her pro-crypto approach has important limitations. Cathy Yoon, General Counsel at Wormhole Foundation, recently commented on the remarks made by Commissioner Peirce. While she agreed to some extent that regulatory exemptions for crypto are needed, she criticized Peirce's idea of a regulatory sandbox. Notably, the debate centers around tokenized securities, which fall under the SEC's jurisdiction. Any type of security must meet stringent regulatory requirements before the SEC deems it compliant. However, there are significant challenges ahead. Sandboxes are great in theory, but there are risks. Yoon Peirce points to ongoing technical issues as a key obstacle. In particular, the technical infrastructure remains underdeveloped. Yoon acknowledged this as a compelling argument in favor of regulatory exemptions for tokenized securities projects. The infrastructure needed to support tokenized securities is still rather undeveloped and expensive to implement. Yoon, Wormhole. Still, Yoon noted that she disagrees with Peirce's concept of a regulatory sandbox. The concept, which Peirce has long advocated, refers to allowing startups to test certain products that exist in a regulatory gray area. These firms are closely monitored by regulators but face fewer penalties and a reduced compliance burden. Yoon argues that sandboxes sound promising in theory but introduce risks such as arbitrary enforcement and favoritism. A sandbox is only as good as the leeway and support a regulator offers to the sandbox participants. There is also a concern that regulators may favor sandbox participants, leading to biased oversight or even weakened enforcement in the long term. Yoon, Wormhole. Instead of a regulatory sandbox, Yoon proposed a limited duration regulatory exemption. This would allow companies to test their products in a real environment, helping them adapt to actual conditions and scale more effectively. Blockchain analytics firm Arkham Intelligence is partnering with Haruko, a portfolio and execution management platform, to bolster institutional-grade digital assets trading. Arkham Intelligence, Arkham, and Haruko will tap into this collaboration to bring digital asset liquidity venues and order types to Haruko users. The platforms target a streamlined onboarding process and day-to-day trading support for sophisticated market participants. We're partnering with Haruko, a leading institutional-grade portfolio and execution management platform used by top-tier digital asset funds and trading firms worldwide, Arkham announced. With this partnership, Arkham's liquidity venues and order types will now be natively accessible to Haruko's users, enabling them to open and manage their spot and derivatives positions on the Arkham exchange. Users will be able to do this directly from their Haruko account's interface. The integration means institutional investors will be able to route orders to the Arkham exchange via Haruko. Haruko allows market participants to access key functionalities such as multi-venue execution and risk analytics from a unified interface. Some of its clients include hedge funds, global proprietary trading firms and market makers. Earlier this year, Arkham unveiled a new tagging system that sees its users track the crypto transactions of influential figures within the crypto industry. The tag is for influencers with 100K or more followers on X. At the time of its launch, the new feature tracked 950 addresses, among which were the wallet addresses of Ethereum, ETH, co-founder Vitalik Buterin, Binance founder Changpeng Zhao and Tron founder Justin Sun. It also includes wallets linked to the US President Donald Trump among other prominent individuals and key opinion leaders. The Arkham team recently added the Solana name service search, a new feature that allows users to search KOLs and Solana traders with Sol username. Search is possible via SNS names, the given entity's name, Ethereum name service name, and Twitter, X handle.